If you're experiencing a verification pending issue with Mozilla VPN, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause verification issues. Step 2. Restart the Mozilla VPN application. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ASRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Update the application. Make sure you have the latest version of Mozilla VPN installed. Check for updates in your device's App Store and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you're using the app on a mobile device, go to your device settings, find the Mozilla VPN app, and clear its cache and data. This can help eliminate any corrupted files causing the issue. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists, reach out to Mozilla's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue for more effective help. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue with Mozilla VPN. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.